This is another lecture on solution of differential equation by Laplace transformation. So, in previous lecture we already studied how to solve differential equation by Laplace transformation. In today's lecture we will take some miscellaneous problem, because in the previous lecture we take only the differential equation containing constant as a coefficient. Here this is a problem where the coefficient is not a constant. That is, solve the following differential equation by Laplace transformation: x d2y over dx square plus dy over dx plus xy equals to 0, y0 equals to 2 and y dash 0 equals to 0. So we can start it as start previously, taking Laplace transformation on both sides of equation number 1. Let it is equation number 1. So Laplace of x d2y over dx square plus Laplace of dy over dx plus Laplace of xy is equals to 0, because the Laplace of 0 is always 0. This x d2y over dx square, that is Laplace of x into ft, which is equals to minus d upon ds Laplace of ft. The Laplace of dy over dx is equals to s Laplace of y minus y0, and if Laplace of y is equals to y bar, then we can write it as s y bar minus y0 plus Laplace of xy, again we can write it as minus d upon ds Laplace of y, which is equals to 0, and the value of Laplace of y double dash, which is equals to s square y bar minus sy0 minus y dash 0. So we can write it as minus d upon ds of s square y bar minus sy0 minus y dash 0 plus sy bar minus y0 and minus d upon ds of y bar, which is equals to 0. Now differentiating it, first we have to put this y0 equals to 2 and y dash 0 equals to 0. That is putting y0 equals to 2, y dash 0 equals to 0. So we get minus d upon ds s square y bar minus 2s plus s y bar minus 2 and minus dy bar over ds is equals to 0. Now differentiating this with respect to x. So s square as it is, differentiation of y bar plus y bar as it is, differentiation of h square, that is minus 2s y bar and minus 2, minus minus plus s y bar minus 2 minus dy bar over ds is equals to 0. Now simplifying, we can write it as minus s square plus 1 dy bar over ds minus 2s y bar plus s y bar. So we can write it as minus s y bar plus 2 and minus 2 cancel is equals to 0, or dy bar over ds minus plus s upon s square plus 1 y bar is equals to 0. Here we can separate the variables, that is taking y bar with dy bar and s with ds. So we can write it as dy bar over y bar is equals to minus s upon s square plus 1 ds. Now integrating, what do we get? This is y bar, this is minus s upon s square plus 1 ds. Now if s square plus 1 taking as t, then 2s ds is equals to dt. So we can write it as y bar is equals to minus 1 upon 2 log s square plus 1 plus log c, or this is log y, or we can write it as y bar is equals to c upon square root of s square plus 1. This is the value of y bar, but we have to find the value of y. So taking ILT on both sides. Taking ILT on both sides. So we get y equals to inverse Laplace of c upon root s square plus 1. So from the formula, inverse Laplace of a upon square root of s square plus b square is equals to a j naught bt. A j naught bt. So y is equals to c j naught x, because b is equals to 1 and this question is in y and x. So we will take x in place of t. So y is equals to c j naught x. Let this is equation number 2. Now we have to find the value of this c. So to find this c, we can use these boundary conditions again. So at x equals to 0, y is equals to 2. So 2 is equals to c j naught 0. But j naught 0 is equals to 1. So we can write it as c equals to 2. So put in equation number 2. What do we get? Y is equals to 2 j naught x. This is the required solution. So moving on to the next problem. So the second problem is solve the following differential equation by Laplace transformation. D square plus n square y is equals to a sin nt plus alpha. Y equals to y dash equals to 0 at t equals to 0. So let it is equation number 1. So taking Laplace transformation on both sides of equation number 1. So Laplace of d square plus n square y is equals to a Laplace of sine nt plus alpha, but we have the Laplace of sine nt. So opening it with trigonometric function. So sine nt cos alpha plus cos nt sine alpha, and here Laplace of y double dash plus n square Laplace of y. So Laplace of y double dash is s square Laplace of y minus s y0 minus y dash 0 plus n square Laplace of y is equals to a Laplace of sine nt is n upon s square plus n square, cos alpha is a constant, and Laplace of cos nt is s upon s square plus n square, and sin alpha is a constant. So if we put Laplace of y is equals to y bar, that is on putting Laplace of y is equals to y bar, y0 equals to y dash 0 is equals to 0. So we can convert it as s square y bar, this is 0, this is 0, and this is n square y bar is equals to a n cos alpha upon s square plus n square plus s sin alpha upon s square plus n square, or we can write it as s square plus n square y bar is equals to a n into 1 upon s square plus n square whole square cos alpha plus s upon s square plus n square whole square sin alpha. A is with also this particular term. Or we can rewrite it as y bar is equals to a cos alpha n upon s square plus n square whole square plus a sin alpha s upon s square plus n square whole square. This is the value of y bar, but we have to find the value of y. So taking ILT, inverse Laplace transformation, on both sides. So this will convert into y, a cos alpha inverse Laplace of n upon s square plus n square whole square plus a sin alpha inverse Laplace of s upon s square plus n square whole square. So how to solve these equations? From the formula, what's Laplace of 1 upon s square plus n square whole square can be rewrite as 1 upon 2 n cube sin nt minus nt cos nt, and inverse Laplace of s upon s square plus n square whole square is equals to 1 upon 2 nt sin nt. So y is equals to a cos alpha into n into 1 upon 2n cube sin nt minus nt cos nt plus a sin alpha into 1 upon 2n t sin nt, or we can write it as 1 upon 2n square, that is a upon 2n square cos alpha sin nt minus nt cos nt plus a upon 2n sin alpha t sin alpha sin nt, and this is the required solution of this kind of problem. Hope you understand the content of this lecture. If you like this lecture, then like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.